If you're using Linux Mint and you want to install Blender, there are two ways to do it. The first way is to go down to the menu and type in software and then click the software manager. And that will bring the software manager up. Sometimes it will be displayed down here, but if it's not, you can go ahead and type it in here. As you can see, Blender is right there. So you can click that, or if it's not displayed, you can type in Blender here, and there should be three options that pop up. The first one there is Blender, and the other two are exporters. So I'll go ahead and click Blender. It's a single click, and then once this is green, go ahead and single click that. The second way is in the terminal. So if we go down to the terminal here, type in sudo apt update, and then you will be asked to type in your password. I don't have any updates, I don't believe. This may or may not take a while on your end. I don't have anything to update. If there was anything to update, you would type sudo apt upgrade and then hit enter. And anything in the update, that would upgrade. I have nothing really to update there. From here, you type in sudo apt install and then Blender and then hit enter. It will tell you how much additional space you will need, and then you push Y and enter. Once that is completed, you can go ahead and close it. Then go down to the menu there, and you simply type in Blender. Hit enter or click it. Once that opens, it will look something like this. That may change depending on the version, but that is how you install Blender on Linux Mint in two different ways. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much, and happy rendering. Goodbye.